Alright, time for your second challenge. This second challenge will be testing your skills even more, so it'll be extra hard. Note that this might be out of your current learning boundaries, but trust me, stick with it and you will learn how to do it. And I'll obviously be doing the solution at the end. So what I want you to do is to make a working calculator. So first you select what you want to do. Select 1 and then 3 plus 5 equals 8. And that's basically what I want you to do. That's what I want you to do. Then if you choose subtraction, basically they type in a number and then whatever the number equals is that. 5 minus 2 equals 3. And then if I were to choose multiplication, 4 times 8 equals 32. And then if I finally decide to choose division, which is probably a little interesting, 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Two things I want to point out as well. It should also have a case where if the player doesn't choose any of these but decides to choose something like 6 or 7 or whatever, it should automatically default to divide. And also, if you're feeling like it, or if you are pretty good at coding, you can make a case in case, like, what happens if this is the case. Because right now it just breaks. Yeah. And that's not good. So, but if you're new, you don't have to worry about it breaking like that, because later on in this series you'll learn how to solve that division problems. And also, if you decide to put the second number as 0, then, well, it kind of breaks us again. Yeah, it kind of breaks again. So you'll have to do it. Like, later we'll learn how to make a division blocker to make sure everything's set for division. But anyways, with that said, here is your stuff. Here's the base code. It'll be in the comment below. I'll have a comment which has the base code. This is the code you would like to start with, or if you're feeling pretty good, you can go without it. Just so you know, addition is like A plus B. Subtraction is A minus B. Multiplication is A times B. And division is A divided by B. So these are the symbols. What I've done in this basics is I've given you base code with an error and an extra error, if you can see it, and a base function. So what I want you to do is use this code and this function and create the rest. Remember, 4 functions, each for one of the operators, and then this needs to be completed. But yeah, you pause the video now and see if you can complete it. It's a hard one, so be ready. So how'd it go? Did it go well or did it go poorly? Let's see this solution. First off, to solve the first error, you need to make a variable, because no variable means this is not defined. Like, what is this? Now all of this will be fine. Next, you might have noticed that there's no else, so we need that just for the division check. To do the division check. Next, we need to copy and paste this and do it multiple times. I'm just going to copy and paste the code. Don't worry, I'll actually tell you what this code is. This code is not much different from the add one, the extra functions. So you can just copy and paste the add one 3 extra times and then change some things. Mainly what you want to change is is this sign, is the text, this text, this, like, you want to change the text, like the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. You want to change this sign to minus, times, and divide. In fact, I can actually do that. And then you want to change the operation. Num1 plus num2, num1 minus 1 2, num2, num1 times num2, num1 divided by num2. Now, to make it actually accessible, you want to type in add here, sub here. And you want to do something like this. What this will do is if one of these is true, whatever's true, we'll get that function, and if none of those previous ones are true, it will just default to division. And there you go. Actually, that's all. That's all you have to do. It looked pretty daunting at first, but no, it's not. See, it works. See? Anyway, it might be hard to follow, so rewatch this video a few times if you need to. Just know that coders are lazy, so you can copy and paste many things. Note that this won't be the last time you'll see the calculator program, as it will be coming back later in the future. So you're gonna have a bad time, but that's... Hold on, let me actually check something if I can show you it. No. I know this is not part of the video, but I actually want to check something. Oh, it's still here. Yes, I actually want to show you something. Music switch, math handler, machine learning test. Do we have country sim? What the flip is these days? Is math handler, maybe? Oh, I didn't even make anything of this. I'll find it. Here we go. Yes, I know that wasn't part of the video, but this is one of the... System. Oh, come on. Okay, whatever. Let's just copy and paste this. Enter new project. Control C. File new project. Math help. I just need to get things ready. Hopefully this works. File. Add new item. C++. Main. And copy paste. Yes, it's working. Okay. Okay, it's working. Are you ready to see what the next calculator will be? This is like a taste in the future. Bam! 11 things, including addition, subtraction, multiplication. Oh, sorry. So these are the things that accept it. These are the things. So you'll be coding addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, square root, power, table printer, factor printer, percentage to number to percentage, percentage chain. And in each of these, it has something like x, y, type a number for x, type a number for y, and it goes like this, and then you can do whatever you want. It doesn't quit on the first one, and you can do as many as you feel like. And it's awesome, and like blah blah blah, and like you get tables and stuff. Wow, this is gonna be an intense one. It's going to be hard. You know, and a special thing is if you go into division, And if you end up typing 0 here, it'll just give you infinity. Isn't that nice? It's magic, I know. So yeah, you'll be learning to do that later, but that was your basic calculator. Anyway, subscribe to me if you want to see more gaming videos. Did I just say gaming videos? Sorry. Subscribe to me if you want to see more coding videos, or if you're more into gaming videos, I have those too. Yeah, if you like this, well, press the like button. I know this was a very all over the place video, but I don't care, because I wanted to show you something really badly. But yeah, I'll see you on the next video.